Are they building Lego? Wait, what's that?
It's CodeeBot!
CodeeBot, where code becomes physical and robots come alive in your hands. Let's see what Steven and Lisa are creating. What's wrong, Lisa? Are you having trouble with the code?
Look, you can ask the AI.
Your loop is not terminated. Try to use an in-loop block.
Snap! Turn! Run!
Looks like Dad is having some kind of trouble.
Missing CodeeBot motor.
Wait, Dad? What are you up to?
Detect sunlight. You can create and imagine on this. Try this and
Oh, Dad, really? Dad stole Steven's motor. Looks like Dad's trick has been found out.
I want to build a trap for thieves.
Here is the solution. You can build crossbow, spider, bullet tank. Crossbow motor connected. Code stepping forward.
Well, it seems to be going to hurt a lot.
What's wrong with my code?
Motor round missing parameter. Parameter correct.
Yes!
Dad's robot finally looks complete.
Multi-robot interconnected.
And Dad is in big trouble now.
Whoa!
Well done, Steven. Wait, Dad again?
Activated.
Seems that Steven's trap has caught someone.
Got you! Ha!
Okay, let's just get the CodeeBot kit for everyone.
CodeeBot can build more than just fun. It can also grow into a smart home system.
Sensor activated.
And be a friend to all family members. It is built for every mind, every idea, every imagination. CodeeBot is already being used in over 100 homes around the world. Created more than 500 robots.
CodeeBot, the most creative toy for kids. CodeeBot.